Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. I've got something new for you today. This is the Hot Wheels Amazon exclusive black box. This is the first one, Mix A, available on Amazon, of course, starting December 1st. That's what you need to know. You know where Amazon is. You know when December 1st is coming, but you might want to know what is in there, John. Well, Mattel sent this to me so I can show you exactly that, and it's actually kind of cool. Let me show you the box first. Box isn't going to tell you much other than the fact that it's Hot Wheels and that there's 16 models in here. So I'm just going to show it to you real quick, and then we will get to opening it up. 16 vehicles inside there. But let's answer this question. John, what is inside this box? Well, I'll do it with a little preface. When I do the 72 count unboxings, I get a basic case and I open them up. You might notice a few things. One thing that you want to know is, what are the new models in the case? Is there a super treasure hunt? Am I lucky enough to pull one? And you're asking that same question if you buy or encounter a 72 count case, right? But you might notice, out of those 72 cars, how many do you keep? Well, maybe some new castings, that super treasure hunt if you're lucky enough to find it, maybe the regular treasure hunt. But there's a lot of rollover from the previous mix. There's a lot of cars that you may not want. And that is what this resolves. The new Amazon black box will contain 16 of each mix's first appearance cars. That means new castings. That means model colors for the year in 2023, like castings that it's their first deco for that year. I don't know what the proper terminology is for that. Nonetheless, you know what I'm talking about. Cars that appear in these mixes first. That also includes regular treasure hunts, super treasure hunts, and inside this box are 16 first appearance models, randomly assorted, so there's no guarantee of what you're going to get, but there is a chance of getting a super treasure hunt. So this is what we're going to do, and I'm hoping to get all of these each time. I'll open them up, you'll see what's inside, but like a 72 count case, you don't know exactly what you're going to get. This is Mix A. Like I said, we've done Mix A unboxing, so we know what models are inside, but this is what it's going to look like. This is the black box. It will have 16 models mixed in. All that you know is that these are first appearance cars. So let's do a very quick 16 car unboxing, and we'll start with these. We'll go 2 by 2, and we start with the Desert Drifter. If you've seen any Lamley unboxings or any other channels that have done the A-Case unboxing, you already know what these cars are. Here's the Corvette Grand Sport, but you can see what's inside. 17 Pagani Huayra Roadster and the Eruption. We know that all of these, the one thing that we do know is that they are new to the case, and I've repeated that 1,000 times. Let's go to the others here. Sweet Driver, 1970 Pontiac Firebird. This one, which will be a big hit. That's a little, I'd have to shake that. But this is the LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia, which looks fantastic. We know there's 2 other colors of that one coming because the Liberty Walk has unveiled the Target exclusive. And the Subaru WRX STI. Remember, sometimes I go, I don't know if this was from the last case or not. Well, again, like I said, I know where these come from. Here we go. We have some new castings. This is what you want to see. You hope that if you're buying this 16 count case, and like I said, there's no guarantees, you just know their first appearance cars, is that you're going to get at least the new models. This is one of the notables from Mix A, the Ford Escort RS 2000, which looks great. I haven't even opened this one yet, but we did get that one. I did notice right there another one. Dragon Wagon, new casting for this mix. 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. This is the first color for 2023 for this model, which was a new model last year. And the Hot Wheels Kit Concept, also a new color for 2023, more in that car, that evil car deco as well. And then the last 4, check it out. There's the 70s van. I don't know, I don't think I got the regular treasure hunt, or did I? I'm trying to look. Do we know what the regular treasure hunt is in this mix? I don't know. This is the 70s van, which I love the artwork on that one. Another new model, which is very notable, a lot of people want, is the Nissan Patrol Custom. Track Manga in green. And this little doozy, the classic TV series Batmobile. Now you notice this one has plastic wheels on it. It isn't the Super Treasure Hunt, but like anything else, it could have been. And there's a chance if you bought this case that you will find this. What you do know is that since the Super Treasure Hunt and its regular counterpart are first appearance cars. There's a good chance that one of them will be in there, whether or not it's the Super or not. Who knows? But I have been told by Mattel they will be mixed in like they are with any other cases. So if you buy one of these, there's a chance that you will pull a Super Treasure Hunt. And that's it. There's the case. It's pretty simple. It's just a box. Almost looks like a pastry box, but it's got Hot Wheels in it instead. Little divider there. And that's it. 16 cars, guaranteed to be first appearance cars, hopefully with new models, maybe with a Super Treasure Hunt. And you'll be seeing these released on Amazon, I don't know how, I guess frequently with every mix. So if you don't like buying 72 count cases, you can now buy these 16 car sets from Amazon, and you have a better idea of what you're going to get. You guys tell me what you think. Look for this on Amazon December 1st. Thanks, everybody. Bye.